This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play together in Planet Coaster 2. First, ensure your game is updated to the latest version for seamless online functionality. You'll need a stable internet connection and an active game account to access multiplayer features. Playing with friends adds a whole new dimension to park creation, allowing you to share the fun and challenges of managing a thriving theme park. Let's dive into the specifics of setting up your multiplayer session. To begin, navigate to the multiplayer section from the main menu. Here, you have two primary choices: either host a brand new park or join a friend's ongoing session. If you're hosting, you can set up a private game for up to 4 players or a public one for more. Once your game is ready, simply send invites to your friends through the in-game system, making it easy for them to jump right in and start building. Once connected, you and your friends can collaborate on every aspect of your theme park. Build thrilling roller coasters, design intricate scenery, and place shops together. You can also share management duties, from setting ticket prices to hiring staff, ensuring a balanced and profitable park. Effective communication, whether through the in-game chat or an external voice application, is key to a successful and enjoyable shared building experience. For the best multiplayer experience, consider assigning roles to each player, such as one focusing on rides and another on scenery, to streamline your efforts. Remember to save your park frequently, perhaps every 15 to 20 minutes, to protect your hard work. A stable internet connection for all participants is crucial to minimize lag and ensure smooth gameplay. Enjoy creating your dream park together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.